Assalamualaikum, dear students. Welcome to my regular online class. Today I come to you with two rules of right use of verb, Rule 14 and Rule 15. Rule 14, we know that while acts like both a preposition and a conjunction, when it will act as preposition, then you have to add ing with the verb. On the other hand, if you find subject after while, then you have to turn the clause into past continuous tense. And you know what's the structure of past continuous tense. It is subject plus was, were plus verb plus ing. Let's be clear with examples. A, while as you find go in the bracket to college, I saw the boys swimming in the river. As while eggs here as preposition, this is why you have to add ing with go, and the answer will be going, and the full sentence will be while going to college I saw the boys swimming in the river. And in example B, while you find verb go in the bracket to college I saw the boys swimming in the river. And what's the difference between the two sentences? The difference is only in I. In first sentence, after while there is no subject, but in second sentence, after while you have a subject, that is I. And if you find subject after while, then you have to turn the clause into past continuous tense. In this case, the answer will be was going, and the whole sentence will be like this: while I was going to college, I saw the boys swimming in the river. Rule 15. In any continuous tense, you have to use auxiliary verb plus verb's present participle form. And you know what is present participle form. In the previous classes, I talked about it. It is verb plus ing. In this case, in active mode, you have to add ing with verb if you find am, is, are, was, were, have been, has been, had been, shall be, shall have been, will have been. Then you have to add ing with verb, and the sentence will be in continuous tense. The sentence may be present continuous, present perfect continuous, past continuous, past perfect continuous, future continuous, or future perfect continuous. Let's be clear with examples. A, my brother is go to Dhaka tomorrow. Here you find auxiliary verb is, and the sentence indicates present continuous tense, and this is in active mode. This is why answer will be going. My brother is going to Dhaka tomorrow. In second example, I was in bracket you see verb solve a difficult math. The sentence also indicates past continuous tense, and in any continuous tense you have to add ing with verb, and the answer will be I was solving a difficult math. In example C, he will be in bracket we see verb try, heart and soul, and you notice the sentence indicates future continuous tense, and this is why you have to add ing with try, and the answer will be he will be trying heart and soul. And in final example, you find auxiliary verb has been, and it indicates present perfect continuous tense, and it is in active mode. This is why you have to add ing with verb rain, and the answer will be it has been raining since morning. Students who are at it with me, thank you all, and I hope you will watch my next online class. Till then, keep safe and sound. Assalamualaikum.